Children, listen. This is exercise 5.1. Actually, from 5th chapter, the continuity and differentiability 5.1, part number 4. Already 3 parts we uploaded. This is part number 4. Discuss the continuity. So, continuity in the sense, we have to do 3 cases. I said 1 less than, greater than, and equal. And what they have mentioned, you just see, they have mentioned -1, +1. For -1, for +1, for both the case, whether we have left and right, we have to check. For -1, yes, we have a left, because -1, I mean, x less than or equal to -1, there is a left hand limit. And -1 less than x in the sense, which has a right hand limit. Okay. The same manner for +1, if we check, for +1, this is the right left hand limit. X less than or equal to 1, left hand limit. And x greater than 1 in the sense, right hand limit. So for all the given number -1 and +1, we have left and right, so that we have to go for both the thing. Understand? Right. So continuity in the sense, surely I said that which will be left and right will be continuous, means less than, greater than will be continuous. Before that, let x is equal to c be the any real number we are taking here, then c, what is that, less than -1 and c greater than -1 are continuous. Actually, this is continuous. I am writing already. I have done many what is the sums based on this. Suppose 2 mark na, this line is enough. 3 mark na, case 1, case 2 and case 3, like that you go. The models and all I gave already, the previous sums and all you can see. Understand? So like a shortcut I am doing here. Directly I am going to check the c equal to 1. Let's take c equal to 1 directly, like discontinuity, how we will be doing, like that I'm moving now. Okay, right. Now let's go to the, what is that, left hand limit, which is equal, sorry, -1 na. So that limit x tends to, what is that left hand limit now, -1 power minus, the power minus for mentioning the left hand limit, f of x, which is equal to limit x tends to -1 minus f of x, means -1 and below, where we have the first one, what is that, -2. So no variable here, so directly you will be getting -2 as our answer. Like that, right hand limit, which is equal to limit x tends to -1 plus, right hand limit na, plus f of x, plus -1 power plus in the sense, -1 and above is the meaning. -1 and above na, here -1 and above, here we have a x, so that 2x is our variable. So that limit x tends to -1 plus, it will be 2x. So when I substitute instead of x as a -1, I'm getting -2. So left hand limit, right hand limit, both are equal. What we have to check, pa? Function value we should check. Very good. So that f of -1 equal to. So for function value, which function we should use now? Where -1 equal to x, that function we have to use. So here we have equal. Here we have equal for x equal to -1. So that -2 we can use. So directly -2. So that therefore left hand limit, right hand limit and function value, everything equal to -2, means everything equal. When it is equal, what we have to say, this is continuity at -1. Okay, that is you have to say finally, this is continuity at -1 we have to say. That's it. So that hence f of x is continuous at x is equal to -1. X equal to -1 or c equal to -1, not sure. Right, fine. So this is we have done for -1. Same thing we have to do even for the what is that, +1 also. Understand? Right. Now let's go here. This side I'm doing for a +1. Right. Here c greater than 1, c less than 1 are continuous. Okay, continuous. Let's take C equal to plus 1. C equal to plus 1 we are checking here. So that first left hand limit of plus 1. Left hand limit of plus 1 in the sense plus 1 and below is the meaning. Plus 1 and below means here we have plus 1 and below na 2x. So that limit x tends to 1 minus f of x which is equal to, so limit x tends to 1 minus, what is the f of x? Left hand limit means 1 and below is the meaning. So that 2x, what it is, 2 times x which is equal to 2 into 1 which is equal to 2. Like that, right hand limit which is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, right means plus we have to give in a power, and f of x. What is meaning of right hand limit? Means plus 1 and above is the meaning. Okay, plus means what? Plus 1 and above. Plus 1 and above means here we have, that is 2, number 2. So directly number 2 we can write, no variable, so we cannot substitute anything. We are getting number 2 also. Right, fine. Left hand limit, right hand limit equal, we should go to function value also. So for plus 1, whereas the function we have equal to x that you identify, here we have equal. Have you noticed x equal to 1? So that 2x we have to use. So that 2 into, sorry, here 1 we have to. Okay, 2 into 1 which is equal to 2. So therefore left hand limit, right hand limit and function value everything equal to plus 2. Then f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. That's it. Okay, finally, what do you want to write? Hence, f of x is continuous at both minus 1 and plus 1. Okay, both minus 1 and plus 1. That's it. So this is you want to do. Children, listen. I didn't do here 3 cases. Have you noticed this? Only the third case means equal to 1, where that is I have done. Suppose 3 mark na, you should not do like this. Both less than 1, less than, greater than, for that you have to give steps. Okay, only one function you want to take for less than 1, less than minus 1, minus 2. You know how to do that. I have done in a previous videos. Okay, right. Next I'm going. Just a minute, I will complete, then I'll show everything. 17th one. So just 17th one, what they are telling? Find a relationship between A and B. Relationship means what? Like so A plus B equal to something, some number, or A minus B equal to some number, or 2 times A plus 3 times B equal to some number. So this is each called relation. Like that, one relation you want to bring. Okay, like that, some okay, find a relationship between A and B. So that function f defined, this is given, continuous at 3. Okay, they didn't ask to check whether it is a continuous at 3. They said the given question is continuous at 3, it seems. If it is a function is continuous at 3, what it mean actually? Generally a function is continuous. No, the condition what all it will satisfy. Generally suppose the function is continuous at minus 1, what condition it will satisfy? LHL, RHL function value must be equal. Am I right? So a function is continuous at 1. So this will be satisfied. Am I right? Left hand limit, right hand limit, function value must be equal. So that is I am telling. So in the next question means in question number 17, what they gave, the f of x is continuous at 3, it seems. That means left hand limit, right hand limit and function value for 3 will be equal. That is the given condition. Okay, so this we have to take. How we will be taking? Given what na, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 3, then this is the condition must be satisfied. So from this any one you can use. So first of all you find separately, or else directly also we will go. Left hand limit means what? Limit x tends to 3 minus f of x, and limit x tends to 3 plus f of x, and this will be where is 3 is equal to x. See the question, where is 3 is equal to x? Ax plus 1, am right? So x value is what? 3 plus 1. That's it. We understand. Now let's go. Left hand limit means what? Left hand limit of 3 means 3 and below. Where is 3 and below? We have again first ax plus. So that limit x tends to 3 minus, what is that? Ax plus 1, which is equal to, and here limit x tends to 3 plus f of x, right hand side approach na 3 and above. 3 and above, what is that? Bx. What is that? Bx plus 3, which is equal to, what is that? 3 into a, 3a plus 1. That's it. Now this is time to apply the limits here. 3 we have to apply. So what you will be getting here? 3a plus 1. So here also 3 we have to apply. So 3b plus 3, which is equal to 3a plus 1. Okay. Now you can see first and last is the same. So that any one you can take then. Any one you can take, not an issue. So this implies first and middle I'm taking. 3a plus 1, which is equal to 3b plus 3. Now this is time to make a relation between a and b. Bring everything one side, constant must be one side. So 3a minus 3b, 3 let it be here, 1 when is an opposite, minus 1. Now 3a minus 3b, which is equal to 2. This is one relation. Or 3 you can take outside, so that a minus b, which is equal to, this is also one answer. Or a minus b is equal to 3 when is an opposite, 2 by 3. This is also one relation. Or 3a minus 3b minus 2 is equal to 0, also one relation. Which is book bag they given, children? Actually I gave many. Which is book bag? 1, 2, 3, 4 I gave. Which is given in book bag? A equal to? Oh, one more they gave. So a equal to minus b when is an opposite, b plus 2 by 3. So we gave lot, but they gave something else. Right, fine. So if you not have a confident or something else, na, like that you give better. Okay. Right, Raja. This is the 17th one. Next we are moving to the 18th one. Even 18 also like I hope same. But sorry, but this is to find the value. Actually they asked for relation between in the previous. This one, for what value of lambda? For what value of lambda is the function defined by like this? Continuous at 0. For what value of lambda? This will be continuous. And what about continue at 1? So they asked to check continue at 1 later. First you come, find the lambda value. Okay. First we will find the lambda at x is equal to 0. Okay. Because for what value of lambda which will be continuous, this they asked it. So let at x is equal to 0, f of x is continuous. Then what it mean? I told you a function is continuous at a specific point. What it mean? LHL, RHL and function value must be equal. Then left hand limit, right hand limit and the function value, that is 0. So f of 0 must be equal. Now you apply here, children. So limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, and here limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, and here f of 0 means where is the equal to 0 we have? Equal to 0, that function we have to use, means this one. So that lambda into 0 square minus 2 into 0. Right here left hand limit, listen, left hand limit in the sense 0 and below function, what you choose? 0 and below function, what Maharaja? Again the same function. So what is that? Lambda into x square 2x, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 0 and above. 0 and above means 4x plus 1. So that 4x plus 1, which is equal to lambda into 0 square 0, 2 into 0 0, then it will be 0. 0 into lambda 0. Lambda is not coming then. Oh my god. So here also when you apply, then also 0, then equal to here when you apply 0, 4 into 0 plus 1, which is equal to 0. 0 into anything 0. Here also 0. 4 into 0 0 and 1, which is not possible. 0 equal to 1 is not possible. Then we cannot find a lambda value here. No value of lambda, the function is continuous. Okay, you have to write the finishing word what na? Whatever you give for lambda, the function never be continuous. The function never be continuous. What is book back they mention? That is what. Okay, whatever you give for lambda, it never be continuous. Okay, that you write. So that no value of lambda, f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. If you are giving x equal to 0, na, lambda whatever you give, when x is equal to 0, lambda whatever you give, lambda value you give 10,000, minus 1,000, whatever you give, at 0, it never be continuous. Okay, at 0, it never be continuous. And they asked, what about the continuity of 1? For a continuity of 1, what it will be, they asking. Okay, this is at 0. Okay, now let's go to continuity of 1. Right, fine. So at x is equal to 1 we are taking. So 0 is over, now 1. Okay, right. Then what will be happen, we'll see. What about continuity of 1? So suppose continuity of 1 is there, na, lambda value, what it will be? Again the same procedure. So f of x is continuous, then again the same. What is that? Left hand limit and right hand limit, which is function value, everything will be equal. Function value of 1. Okay, everything will be equal. Listen children, this place very important. Listen. So x equal to 1, where you will be getting, actually this is what meaning 0 and below. It means minus infinity till 0. This is the meaning. And what about 0 above? So open interval 0 till open interval infinity. 0 also not include. This is the second interval. So 1 where you will be getting, in the first interval or second interval? Second interval. Then which function you want to use? Second function. Okay. So here f of x, which is equal to 4x plus 1. So only one function, even don't want to go left hand limit, right hand limit. Sorry. What do we have to go? Directly limit value and function value. So that limit x tends to 1 f of x, which is equal to function value of 1. That's it. Okay, like that you can go. Understand? Whether it is a continuous or not, we have to check. So let's go whether we are getting same or not. Okay, they asked to check the continuity of 1 now. So you should not take equal. I mean, this is not a. Don't take which is a continuous. Wait, don't take which is a continuous. So this one we have to check. Let's go one by one. Wait, Raja. This you take, fix here. So we have to check the continuity. So that limit x tends to 1. What is the f of x, Raja? 4x plus 1, which is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Suppose f of 1, if you are finding the same function only. So 4 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 again. Therefore, limit x tends to 1 f of x, which is equal to f of 1, that is 5. Then f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. Check the book back, Raja. So at x equal to 1, which is continuous, and x is equal to 0, lambda value not possible to find. Is it okay? Okay, because whatever the lambda, if you are given, lambda is not disturbing our answer. Have you noticed it? Lambda is not disturbing our answer here. Am I right? So lambda, you give anything, this is never disturb our final answer at x equal to 1 for any value of lambda. Any value of lambda. Why? Because in first function only there is a lambda, second function no lambda. Here x equal to 1, we are using only second function. So whatever the value will be for lambda, it never disturb for at x equal to 1. Understand? When it will be disturb our answer, if it is 0 and below, the lambda will be disturb our answer. 0 above, in the sense lambda never disturb our answer. Understand? So that what I gave for any value of lambda, it will be continuous at x equal to 1. I am giving the finishing answer. Is it okay, my dear? Right. Next, 19th one. That's it. Okay, children. 19th one we'll see in the next video. Take care. Thank you, children. Bye.